Today is an exciting day, a day I've been waiting for a while. My name is Nate, and these are my boots. I was recently looking through all my shoes and I realized that I had a gap in a really important spot. I needed a nice, casual, waterproof, high quality, brown boot. I've owned other boots over the years, but they haven't really lasted. They've all worn down and fallen apart, and they weren't what I was looking for. So I finally decided to listen to my older brother's advice and look into a higher quality tier of boots. After a lot of research, I ended up with Thursday boots. When you first open the box, you're greeted with a little card, and it says, Thursday products are handcrafted in small batches using only the highest quality materials. Natural color and texture variation will occur. This is what makes the materials we use and the products we design both distinct and beautiful. It also says quality guaranteed by, and it has a signature of the person that was checking the boots. I went with the Diplomat in the Arizona Adobe color. The Diplomat features the mock toe design. Thursday is a pretty new company, and they're competing with other companies like Danner, Wolverine, and Red Wing. Most boots in this category range from about $300 to $600, so Thursday caught my attention because this boot, along with a good majority of their other boots, were priced around $200. Now this is just my opinion, but I believe that there is a threshold in the boots industry where you move past just the style and the name brand and you actually get higher quality. Again, in my opinion, I would say that that price point is right about $200. For what you get in these boots, I don't think you would be able to get it for any less than $200. So let's take a look at this boot and see why it's worth it. When looking at a boot like this, one of the first and main things that you should be looking for is something called the Goodyear Welt construction. So the stitching that goes all the way around the boots, two main things come from this. One, it helps being waterproof, and the second is it means that as this wears down on the sole, this is completely re-soleable. So you can get a new outsole and keep your main boot because this will just continue getting better with age. Another nice feature, on the interior, you have it 100% lined with glove leather. Now other boots that might be less, might not be lined at all, might be lined partially, or might be lined with something that is not as soft to the touch and nice as a glove leather. The midsoles on the Diplomat use a combination of leather and cork. And what that helps with, it will actually form to your foot with wear over time. The Diplomat also features reinforced eyelets as well as speed hooks for your laces. Speaking of the laces, even the laces are nice as they're blended with kevlar. The outsole is a Vibram Christy outsole, very sturdy and helps with your grip. These boots look great, feel great, and even smell great. I can't wait to put them through their paces for years to come.